Hi friends and welcome to MsDisneyReviews. Check out this new box from Season 3 Shopkins. This one is called the So Cool Metallic Fridge. It has 8 exclusive metallic Shopkins and over 35 stickers to decorate your fridge. Wow, that is super cool. So let's check out all the features of this metallic fridge. Alright, so here's everything that's included in this really cool playset. Also, you get these awesome stickers to go on the fridge. So let's first take a look at these really cool Shopkins. Here we have some metallic finish ones. We have Apple Blossom. Here is Granny Jam. Here is Miss Mushy Moo. Here is Little Zipper, Miss Twist, and Tommy Ketchup. So these two are from the fruit and veggie department. These are glitter items. It's really cool. Look at Apple Blossom. She has this really cute white flower on top. I love her expression, and ooh, she's also holding one of the flowers in her hand. There's Miss Mushy Moo. I just love the little shoes, and there's a bit of chocolate frosting on top. Very nice. It's so glittery. Next two items are from Pantry. We have Tommy Ketchup, and here is Gran Jam. I love Gran Jam. Looks like an old granny, and that expression is very adorable. Super glittery in pink color. Here we have Tommy Ketchup. I love that expression because it looks like a lot of ketchup is squirting out. So Tommy Ketchup is a bit worried, but so adorable. Next we have a party food Little Zipper, and here is Sweet Treats Miss Twist. They're also super glittery in this really nice pink color, hot pink. I love Little Zipper. There's a little umbrella, and you can see these little ice cubes. Very nice detail for both of these. Now with this metallic fridge, you also get these two exclusive Shopkins. They're both in purple color. Here's a soda, and here is this really yummy sundae. I love these details with the strawberries and this little leaf. It's so adorable and super shiny in purple. And here we have soda, also in purple, with little pink and yellow details. So adorable. With this playset, you get these two shopping bags and a cup for your freezer. So you can take some of these Shopkins home to your fridge. You can fit at least 2 in each of these. Now on the side of the fridge, you'll find some very special little Shopkins. That's these little eggs. So here they are. You can move them up and down with this little handle. That's so cute. Let's have a look at all their funny expressions. Alright, here are all 6 mini eggs. This one is in a funny mood. This one is kind of looking sideways. This one is a little surprised. That's so cute. This one's very smiley. I guess this one's sleepy. Looks like she's yawning. And here's a really cute chirpy one. Let's see if they can fit into these bags. I'm pretty sure you can fit all of them in one single shopping bag. Now for the really cool part, this awesome freezer. So here you can dispense some ice cubes, and you need to put your cup in here, so let's give it a try. I don't have ice cubes, but I'm just gonna try any two Shopkins and see what happens. So let's try these two. Here's the cup. Wow, that's awesome. So you can have two Shopkins in a cup. That is super cool. I love this adorable cup. Now here's the cool part. You get these awesome stickers to decorate your metallic fridge. So let's do that. Now let's see how many of these Shopkins we can fit in our metallic fridge. There's lots of room, lots of space, so let's start with the top rack. That is 16. Now let's move to the bottom rack. It's 23 in total so far. Now let's open the bottom rack. $33, $34, now let's try this part. We have banana bread, creamy cookie, and these ketchups. That makes it 37 so far. 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, and 43. I almost forgot, we can have 3 more in this little compartment. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to Miss Disney Reviews for other fun Shopkin videos. Thank you.